Imagine twisting up impossible, narrow, technical hairpin roads with the Alps all around you. Welcome to the hidden gem of the Lacets de Montvernier. So I am tackling the Lacets de Montvernier today. This is a 3.5k climb that rises 270 meters in the Maurienne Valley, just at the base of the Col de Glandon. If you want to tackle this climb, then it's best to come down the north side of the Glandon and head towards Saint-Jean de Maurienne. So the Lacets de Montvernier sit at the bottom of the Col de Chaussee, and once you have climbed the 3.5k, you can either take a left for the chaussee or take a right for Saint-Jean de Maurienne, Col de Croix de Fer, Telegraph Galibier. It's the end of September. I've been supporting some guys over the Croix de Fer today. Been a pretty epic day of the weather, hitting 5 degrees centigrade on the Croix de Fer. You can watch that video somewhere here or in the description below. Sign says 13 kilometres to the Col de Chaussee, but it's getting late. It's the end of September and I'm just doing the 3.5 kilometres to Montvernier. Okay, start of the climb, we're at 535 metres. It's saying the Col de Chaussee is 13 kilometres, but you can ignore that. You can ignore that, unless you're doing it, of course. Then don't ignore it. This climb is best tackled in spring, summer or autumn. So first 3 bends covered, nice and steady gradient, climbing quite quickly. The Maurienne Valley is down to my right. Not the most prettiest of valleys. It's got a railway line, a motorway and other major roads, plus a mining company, etc. Anyway, junction 4, corner 4. And the Maurienne Valley is a great link to other bigger climbs, such as the Col de la Madeleine, the Col du Telegraphe, Col de Galibier, Croix de Fer, the Col de Glandon, and a little less known climb I did last year, the Col de Alban. Check that video out somewhere on the screen. So just round bend 6. It's quite fresh today. So the Lacets de Montvernier are a recent addition to the Tour de France. The road's very narrow, makes a great helicopter shot, but it's very difficult to get good photos or video of it if you're not airborne. Very narrow road. They don't let spectators on the road for this climb. And I think, I might be wrong, it's only motorbike support vehicles. Okay, just gone around bend 10. So this climb features quite heavily on our cycle tours in the Voisins. We usually go from Bourg d'Oisans over the Glandon, then the Lacets de Montvernier, and stay in Saint-Jean de Maurienne for the evening. The next day we usually cycle the secret road up to the Col de Madeleine, then across to the Col de Chaussee before heading back down into Saint-Jean de Maurienne. Following day, we used to do the Telegraph and Galibier and back to Le Bourg d'Oisans. Right, just gone around bend 12. Spectacular bit of rocky outcrop here. I've warmed up now. If you've enjoyed watching me climb up here and seeing the bends in all their glory, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. If you've ridden these bends, let me know what you think of them. Did you just go up or did you go up and down? And also let me know if you have climbed them. When did you first climb them? In what year? I'd like to know who knew about them before the Tour de France. I certainly cycled past them loads of times before the Tour de France. Didn't even realise they were here. They're kind of hidden on the side of the mountainside. That's why it's so difficult to get a photo, I think. As you can see, the road opens right up. Down to the right, the Maurienne Valley, and just up to the left is the little village of Montvernier. Sleepy little village. Probably didn't know what hit it when the Tour de France started visiting. There's been a few attempts at opening cafes and stuff at the top, but they only ever seem to last a season. 500 metres to go. Absolutely dead. And you can get water there. Eau potable. Portable water. Drinking water, I think that should be. So there we go, that's the climb of the Lacets de Montvernier. Hope you enjoyed them. I'm now going to descend down. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like cycling in France, from the Alps to the Pyrenees, to the Loire, to Normandy, all over France, consider following the channel. It's free and it really helps me out. So enjoy the descent. Thanks for watching. Not a bad beard.